Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The Bayelsa State government says the cost of the federal secretariat in Yenagoa, constructed by the outgoing administration of President Muhammadu Buhari, vindicates its position that infrastructure development is more expensive in the Niger Delta region in Nigeria. Deputy Governor of Bayelsa State, Senator Lawrence Erujakbo, made the assertion during the virtual commissioning of the Secretariat complex alongside others built in Zamfara and Anambra states by former President Buhari.
In 2011, the government of President Goodluck Jonathan awarded a contract for the construction of a federal secretariat complex in Yenagoa, the Bayelsa state capital, at the cost of 2.5 billion naira. The project was affected by the onset of the devastating 2012 flood outbreak. The project was redesigned with a cost variation, bringing its total cost to the tune of about 3.9 billion naira. The Federal Secretariat complex in Yenagoa, named after President Goodluck Jonathan, was one of 3 similar projects initiated in Anambra and Zamfara states, all of which were inaugurated virtually by President Muhammadu Buhari, whose administration facilitated their completion. Speaking during the commissioning of the Federal Secretariat complex, Bayelsa State Deputy Governor, Senator Lawrence Erujakbo, who stood in for Governor Doyediri, expressed gratitude to the Buhari administration for completing the project. He, however, observed that the comparatively high cost of executing the Federal Secretariat complex in Yenagoa should serve to remind the federal government that the difficult terrain in the Niger Delta makes infrastructure development in the region far more expensive than in other parts of the country. According to the Bayelsa State Deputy Governor, the cost of constructing a kilometer of road in Bayelsa State was equivalent to what could cover the construction of 4 or more kilometers of road outside the Niger Delta region.
And that is what we passed through in terms of our road. So I'm very happy that the story should change now. Let them not think that because all the leaders are nodding, they are saying yes to the positive accusation. That may not be the truth. We spend a lot of our resources to get a road. A kilometer road here, we do 1 kilometer road here for about 4 billion naira because we have to create the land ourselves. And I'm happy that the government has experienced it.
The Federal Secretariat complex in Yenagoa has a total of 342 offices, including a post office, banking hall, and a conference hall named after an illustrious Bayelsan, Ambassador Godnose Igali, a retired federal permanent secretary.
Inside the Niger Delta,